Dear baby girl, time management is a major key to goal achievement, and a smart single woman understands this powerful key. The productive use of your time will yield long-term benefits. So think about what you do every day. If you identify time thieves, get rid of them. Replace them with productive activity that will move you a step closer to reaching your goals. To show your respect for the time of others, arrive at meetings and other events at the appointed time. When necessary, you should also hold others accountable when their irresponsible behavior squanders your time. If you do this tactfully, most people will be receptive to your desire to eliminate time wasters. Don't let trivial pursuits break your focus either. Identify any distractions that could interfere with your progress and discard them before they destroy your momentum. Distractions may include unnecessary shopping trips, parties, weekend getaways, or just hanging out with friends when you should be doing things that are more productive with your time. Responding to critics can also break your focus and waste your time. Therefore, don't waste time debating critics who may never support you, encourage you, or do anything to help you achieve your goals. Just manage your time wisely and keep your eyes on the prize. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home, and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed with all my love, your dad.